In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact PayPal customer support. If you need help with your account, a transaction, or a general PayPal issue, one of the quickest ways to reach support is through the Contact Us section on the PayPal website. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find the option to call their support team. To begin, make sure you're on your PayPal account summary page. This is typically the main dashboard you see after signing in. Once you're there, look through the page and start scrolling down. You'll want to keep going until you find the section labeled Contact Us. It may be located toward the bottom of the page, so if you don't see it right away, just continue scrolling slowly and carefully. When you find the Contact Us option, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to PayPal's help and support area where you can find different ways to get assistance. This section is useful because it organizes support options in one place, making it easier to choose the best way to resolve your issue. After the Contact Us page opens, look for the option that says Call Us. Once you see it, click on it. This is the step that brings you closer to speaking directly with PayPal customer support. If phone support is available for your region and account type, this section will typically show you the relevant calling information or guide you to the next step. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to make sure you're signed into the correct account before contacting support, especially if your issue is related to payments, limitations, or account access. Being logged in can also help PayPal provide more accurate assistance based on your account details. Another helpful tip is to have any important transaction information ready before you call, such as the date of a payment or the general nature of the problem. That can make the conversation with support smoother and faster. And that's all it takes to get to PayPal's customer support contact options through the website. Just scroll down to find Contact Us, click Contact Us, and then click Call Us. If you follow those steps, you should be able to reach the proper support channel more easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you contact PayPal customer support quickly and without confusion.